In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to restore the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to restore your home screen from a backup on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for accounts and backup. And then from there, you want to hit accounts and backup. Then from there, what you want to do is hit restore data. From there, what you want to do is in the list, you want to hit the check mark box to uncheck everything in the list. And you want to simply select home screen there. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to restore your home screen from a backup on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.